this video, we cover how to wash your car fast using the best auto detail products. Your supplies organized in advance. Check the description for links. Let's get started. Check out this wheel and metal cleaner going to work. What's up everybody? If you haven't already, go ahead and check out glassparenting.com and use code SMOKED to get a discount on all of their amazing products such as the silica waterless wash, wheel and metal cleaner, boost, and tire dressing. And of course we can't forget the S3 soap and the glass care kit. You'll love the results. We use them on all of our cars here and the results are always amazing. Fairly priced and an amazing lineup. Also don't forget about their coating care kit, which includes graphene coating. So there you have it. Keep your supplies stocked and start from the inside out. Stay tuned for some bonus footage. Alright gang, how's it going? So I got these really nice Porsche wheels for my Touareg. Yeah, you might be thinking, Volkswagen, Porsche, how does it work? Well, it does. They're pretty much the same company. Anyway, so these are 20s off of a Cayenne GTS, I believe. Anyway, they look great. They sit well. You know, they perform pretty decently compared to the standard 18s. You know, nothing crazy, no low pro tires, good life, etc., etc. The only thing that is lacking though is TPMS. So obviously the TPMS on a Cayenne is different than the one on a Touareg. So yeah, I could transfer my TPMS from my 18s, you know, onto this, but then my 18s would be without TPMS. So anyway, long story short, I figured I'd give these Jansite TPMS valve stems a shot. So basically, you have a little dock that's powered by solar. You can mount it on your dashboard or wherever is convenient, kind of like you see in some of the later model Ford Rangers and Ford F-150s. And basically, the valve stem cap acts as a reader, like a Bluetooth reader, and it'll essentially let you know what the tire pressure is on each wheel at all times. Greatest thing is, if your car parks outside sometimes, which this one definitely does, it's going to get powered by the sun every day, and, really just need to charge it once. So I've not opened this thing yet to see what's up inside. Yeah, left rear, right rear, front right, front left, I'm guessing. Anyway, so yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright, let's see what's down here. Oh, it's a nice little wrench. I'm assuming these are washers to keep things tight on the valve stem. Interesting. Wire. And the dock. It's pretty small. It's in the palm of your hand. Nice screen. Here's the solar panel, looks like. So that is definitely neat. I wonder... Yeah, it tilts, so you can kind of place it on your dash or whatever. Alright, pretty cool. Yeah, it's got the port for plugging. And a couple buttons without any indication what they are. But anyway, let's take a look and see if there's a manual. Nope. Just these little adhesive pads, which makes sense. They will go on the outside of that solar panel, so it sticks to your glass, I presume. Alright, pretty cool. Nice hardware. And yeah, here's the little manual. Okay, so they give us some instructions in here. Solar Energy TPMS. Yeah, super cool. So I'm going to check this out. I'm pretty sure I'll need to charge it first. And we'll give it a little bit to charge, and then we'll go ahead and get it installed and see if we're getting good readings or not. Alright? Alright guys. So you can see I have it set up here. I guess it's off by 1 degree, and that's fine. Yeah, so this is what the little sensors look like. I didn't put the security nut on it or anything like that, but I will if I'm going to be parking somewhere I'm not sure about. You can see here, holding pretty steady, full battery. 36 in the back, 37 in the front. Not too bad for these tires, 275, 45, 20s. So yeah, we're going to take it on a trip soon and let's see how it goes. Alright, yeah, I hope you enjoyed that quick video. Stay tuned until next time with some updates around the GTI, and until then, peace.